Welcome back to the channel. If you want to protect your vehicle and capture every detail on the road, finding the best dash cam with parking mode is essential. Let us begin. Product number 1. ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam. First on our list is an incredible dual-channel option that ensures comprehensive coverage for both the front and rear of your vehicle. This model captures stunning ultra-high-definition resolution at the front and full high-definition footage at the rear, giving you impeccably clear recordings of the road ahead and behind. It comes equipped with an advanced starlight sensor and a large lens aperture, allowing it to pull in maximum light for bright, vivid imagery even during nighttime drives. One of the primary highlights is its ultra-fast wireless connectivity, enabling you to download video files directly to your smartphone at impressive speeds. It features a built-in tracking system to log your precise driving routes and live speed seamlessly. For added convenience and security, it includes a premium memory card and utilizes a robust supercapacitor designed to withstand extreme temperatures. With its wide viewing field and seamless loop recording, this setup ensures complete peace of mind for every single trip you absolutely take. Product number 2. REDTIGER 4K F7N. Next up is a highly popular model that beautifully combines high performance with practical functionality for everyday commuters and rideshare drivers. This dual setup delivers crisp ultra-high-definition video from the front lens and incredibly sharp high-definition footage from the back. It utilizes an advanced imaging sensor combined with a 6-layer optical lens and wide dynamic range technology to guarantee balanced lighting in any condition, whether driving into direct sunlight or navigating completely dark roads. Reviewing your files is exceptionally simple thanks to the integrated high-speed wireless connection and the dedicated smartphone application, which lets you preview, manage, and download crucial clips instantly. It provides continuous protection through multiple parking monitoring modes, actively recording if an unexpected impact occurs while your vehicle is securely stationed. This amazing unit supports reliable loop recording, automatically overriding old data to prevent any annoying storage issues, while its durable supercapacitor shell offers excellent heat resistance for consistent operation on all your long daily driving trips. Product number 3. IIWEY 5. Our next selection takes vehicle surveillance to a unique level with a comprehensive 4-channel system that meticulously monitors absolutely everything around you. This innovative device captures a complete 360-degree view, recording the front, rear, sides, and interior of your vehicle simultaneously in incredibly clear high definition. It is an absolutely ideal solution for drivers who want total blind spot elimination and complete interior documentation. Managing your extensive footage is incredibly straightforward thanks to the built-in wireless connectivity and a totally free dedicated application that allows you to safely download and view clips right from your phone. The system utilizes continuous loop recording to manage storage very efficiently, seamlessly replacing old data when the memory card is completely full. It also features a reliable gravity sensor that immediately locks critical clips during sudden vehicle movements, preserving essential evidence. Powered by a high-performance supercapacitor, this very unique camera runs incredibly smoothly in extreme weather climates without any serious risk of overheating your valuable device. Product number 4. REDTIGER 4K STARVIS F7N Touch. Moving along, we have another premium dual recording option that gracefully elevates the user experience by incorporating a highly responsive touchscreen interface and incredibly convenient voice control features. Capturing your entire journey in brilliant ultra-high-definition resolution with an expansive front view, it effortlessly records vital details across multiple lanes of fast-moving traffic. The significantly enhanced low-light processing guarantees that your video remains crystal clear and perfectly legible during late evening hours. Safety is always a primary focus with this advanced device, allowing you to use simple vocal instructions for completely hands-free operation, thereby drastically minimizing dangerous distractions while driving. The smart touch screen makes it remarkably simple to lock critical clips or adjust settings with a simple tap. It features an integrated global positioning module to provide traceable speed and location data on your recorded videos. With an included high-capacity memory card, seamless loop recording, and a sensitive impact sensor that automatically shields important incident footage, it delivers exceptional driving security. Product number 5. 70WEY A810 Lite 4K Dash Cam. Finally, we have an exceptionally advanced dual-camera system perfectly packed with cutting-edge remote access capabilities and highly intelligent tracking features for maximum vehicle security. This powerful device safely captures true ultra-high-definition clarity from the front camera and incredibly clear high-definition footage from the rear, ensuring all license plates and road signs are perfectly legible. It strongly stands out by supporting true remote network access, allowing you to view live footage and track your car's exact location through your phone even when you are very far away. The seamlessly integrated high-speed wireless transmission makes downloading large files incredibly fast and very convenient. It features an enhanced night mode with a wide aperture to safely capture beautifully balanced footage in dark tunnels or heavy rainy weather. With reliable 24-hour parking protection, a highly responsive impact sensor, and an optimized supercapacitor instead of a standard battery, it consistently delivers exceptionally stable performance and long-term durability in absolutely any extreme environment you may encounter. Make sure to check out the description below to find the links to all these products. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews. See you next time.